What if I told you that the best travel isn't just about the destination? It's about the discovery. Today, we've traveled to the heart of Changchun to uncover its most authentic local experiences. Our journey has one singular delicious purpose: to experience the one dish that defines the city's culinary soul, the legendary Beijing Roasted Duck. Did you know that a truly skilled chef can get 100 to 120 perfect slices from a single duck? The goal is to get a piece of crispy skin and a slice of tender meat in every cut.
Tastes like a greasy potato chip. This is like the thinnest tortilla I have ever seen. Now we get some meat, and we're gonna dip it in the sauce. Then you take some onion, little dip of rice, and some more. Okay, now we're gonna fold it and roll it up. And now you have the world's tiniest burrito. And we're just gonna eat it all at once. It doesn't taste like a burrito, but it's still pretty good. So we showed you the duck being sliced up, but all those remnants that were left behind, they don't get thrown away. They actually get put into a soup. So now we're eating the soup. It has duck, it has tofu, and it has a few vegetables inside. The broth is amazing. It has a little bit of spice to it. That warm, milky flavor. Wonderful. I am by no means a soup eater. As a matter of fact, I avoid it like the plague. But this is actually magnificent. I could drink this pretty regularly and be okay with that.